Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. Children, we have started the lesson Rio and Medio. Already I have explained you about the old man who was very poor and his humanity about the descendants and his concern about his successes was a great show in this lesson. So related to that, we have completed already the 3 paragraphs in this lesson. So let us see what happens after he goes to the office room and he bowed himself and obediently, and he had a relative who was holding his things in his hand. Coming to the 4th paragraph, children, please take out your textbooks and note down the meanings of the difficult words. There was a great deal of conversation about Rain and his family. He was very proud of his large family. Finally, we got down to business. Children, as soon as he entered the office room, he spoke to the officials and see, first of all, when we meet somebody, we'll ask about themselves, is it not? How is your place? Is it raining over there? How is the crops growing there? Everything will ask, is it not? So like a casual talk went between the officers and Don Anselmo. So they had a conversation about the rain and he explained about his family and he said that he was very proud of his big and large family. So finally they went down to the business. Yes, he would sell as he had agreed for $1,200 in cash. We would buy and the money was ready. Children, so the officials are speaking to this Don Anselmo and finally they got down to the business and said, yes, we'll sell the land. For how much? For $1,200. Children, $1 is equal to nearly 73 to 76 rupees Indian rupee. So dollar in USA, $1 is equal to 76. So $12 means you just calculate how much cash he is going to get. So they are ready to buy and the money is ready. Don Anselmo, I said to him in Spanish, we have made a discovery. You remember that we sent that surveyor, that engineer up there to survey your land so as to make the deed. Children, the officer is saying that Don Anselmo, I said to him in Spanish, means the officers, the people are from Spain and they used to speak Spanish usually in their country. So he told in his words about the discovery of the land, means they have sent a surveyor to measure the land and an engineer to look after how much exactly the land measures. So because to make a deed here nothing but agreement. So the deed agreement is to be done before we buy or sell a land. Children, here one more thing, Don Anselmo. Don means not a Don what you hear in the movies. He is not a big or great Don. Don here means Spanish title of respect like sir in English. So it is a Spanish word. Don means a Spanish word. In English it is known as sir. So the meaning of Don is nothing but respected sir. Well, he finds that you own more than 8 acres. So the officer is saying to Don Anselmo, we have sent some engineers and surveyors, but what you said is not exactly right. The land you own is more than 8 acres. So according to Don Anselmo, it was 8 acres only, but when they sent the surveyors, it was more than that. He tells us that your land extends across the river and that you own almost twice as much as you thought. So if you think it is 8, but when we sent the surveyors, it is more than 8, means double than that, maybe 16 acres of land, because it extends across the river. So almost twice the measurement you have the land. So this was told to Don Anselmo. He didn't know that, and now Don Anselmo, I added, these Americans are buona gente. They are good people and they are willing to pay you for the additional land as well. Buona gente means good people, children, kind people, generous people, good and kind people. Okay. So the officer is saying to Anselmo that these Americans are very good people, they are not cheating you. They'll pay you more than what you expect. So they are ready to pay you the additional land as well. So you told only $1,200, but when we went for measurement, it was more than that. So they are ready to pay you double as what you expected. At the same time, rate per acre. So that instead of $1,200, you will get almost twice as much, and the money is here for you. Children, the officer is the mediator between the Americans and Don Anselmo. He is dealing the land. So he is telling that you will get more than double the amount what you said. So take the money, it is ready. The old man hung his head for a moment in thought. Then he stood up and stared at me. Friend, he said, I don't like to have you speak to me in that manner. I kept still and let him have his say. So old man got angry. He hung his head for a moment in thought. Means he was just thinking of something. Then he stood up and stared at me, means to the officer. Then he said, friend, I don't like to speak to me in that manner. You should not have spoke to me in that manner. I kept still and let him have his say. Means this officer kept quiet and he said, okay, let him say what they are ready to say. But he did not like the manner which the officer spoke to Don Anselmo. I know these Americans are good people and that is why I have agreed to sell them. But I do not care to be insulted. I have agreed to sell my house and land for $1,200 and that's the price. See how foolish he is. Children, he said that Americans are good people, so only I agreed to sell. But if you pay me more than what I said, it will be somewhat insulted to me. So I have agreed to sell my house as well as land for $1,200 only. So that is the fixed price what I want. I don't want any more price than that. I argued with him, but he was useless. It was useless. Finally, he signed the deed and took the money, but refused to take more money than the amount agreed upon. So finally, the officer was successfully. He did not want, as Don Anselmo did not want the double amount of money. The officer did not speak to him. He argued with him, but it was useless. Finally, the agreement was signed and took the money, but refused to take more money. Then he shook hands all around, put on his rag gloves, took his stick and walked out with the boy behind him. So he took the money, whatever he expected. Then he shook hands around, means the people who are all sitting there, and put on his old rag torn gloves, took his stick and walked out with the boy behind him. Children, this is what I have explained in the today's video. Please go through the textbook and learn, read out loudly twice. Try to recall everything what I have explained. Thank you children. Jai Shri Gurudev.